a day on which we remember our vision of our constitution maker. It is a day to reaffirm our commitment to the principle of democracy, secularism, and the unity in diversity that form the foundation of our great nation. We are proud of our rich culture, heritage, and the diversity that make India unique.
As we celebrate this day, let us also remember the challenges that we face as a nation. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected every aspect of our lives and has brought to the forefront the need for collective action and solidarity.
Let us pledge to work together to overcome these challenges and build a stronger, more prosperous, and inclusive India. Let us also remember the brave soldiers who guard our borders and keep us safe.
We extend our greetings from all the members of the GIBS family and wish you a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.